Refrigerant is the lifeblood of an HVAC system. It's responsible for absorbing heat from indoor air and transferring it outside, effectively cooling your home or business. Just like the right amount of blood is crucial for the human body to function, the correct refrigerant charge is essential for an HVAC system to operate at peak efficiency. Too little refrigerant, a condition known as undercharging, can lead to insufficient cooling, increased energy consumption, and undue stress on the compressor. On the other hand, an overcharged system containing too much refrigerant can result in reduced efficiency, excessive pressure on system components, and even compressor failure. Both scenarios can lead to costly repairs and diminished system lifespan. Precise refrigerant charging ensures optimal heat transfer, maximized energy efficiency, and prolonged system lifespan. It's not just about filling the system with refrigerant, it's about achieving the perfect balance for optimal performance and longevity. Before beginning, gather the necessary equipment: a gauge manifold set, refrigerant cylinder, safety glasses and gloves, and a temperature measuring device. Always refer to the manufacturer's specifications for the correct type and amount of refrigerant. Safety first. Before handling refrigerant, ensure you are well ventilated. Step 1 is to identify the low and high pressure service ports on the system. Connect the manifold gauge set hoses to their corresponding ports, ensuring a secure and leak-free connection. With the system running, check the system pressures and temperatures using the gauges and your temperature measuring device. Compare these readings to the manufacturer's specifications to determine if the system is undercharged or overcharged. Slowly add or remove refrigerant as needed, carefully monitoring the system pressures and temperatures. Once the system reaches the target pressures and temperatures, close the refrigerant cylinder valve and carefully disconnect the manifold gauge set. One common mistake is neglecting to check for leaks before charging. Even a small leak can significantly impact system performance and lead to refrigerant loss over time. Always perform a thorough leak check before adding any refrigerant. Another common error is charging based solely on pressure readings without considering the system's subcooling or superheat. Subcooling refers to the difference between the refrigerant's condensing temperature and its actual temperature at the condenser outlet. Superheat, on the other hand, is the difference between the refrigerant's evaporating temperature and its actual temperature at the evaporator outlet. Both subcooling and superheat provide valuable insights into the refrigerant state within the system. Ignoring these parameters can lead to an inaccurate charge. Always consult the manufacturer's specifications for the target subcooling and superheat values, and adjust the refrigerant charge accordingly. Remember, charging a refrigeration system is not a one-size-fits-all process. It requires careful attention to detail, a thorough understanding of the system, and adherence to best practices to ensure optimal performance and longevity. A properly charged system operates at peak efficiency, effectively cooling your space while consuming minimal energy. This translates into lower energy bills and a reduced carbon footprint. Furthermore, correct refrigerant levels minimize wear and tear on the system's components, particularly the compressor, which works less to achieve the desired cooling effect. This reduced strain translates into a longer lifespan for your HVAC system, saving you from premature replacements and costly repairs. Moreover, a well-maintained system with the right refrigerant charge is less likely to experience breakdowns, ensuring consistent comfort and peace of mind. By investing the time and effort to properly charge your refrigeration system, you are not only ensuring optimal performance and energy efficiency, but also extending the lifespan of your valuable equipment. Remember, a well-charged system is a happy and efficient system, keeping you cool and comfortable for years to come.